If I like it, I am getting multiple use out of it. But if I don't, I'm not even buying it. Like, why? Why should I buy it? Hey icons, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Micheline and I focus on fashion and more fashion. I call you icons as a tribute to you for your strength and your ability to bounce back despite everything that life throws at you. If you also love fashion, click the subscribe button, also share with a friend. I would love to have you on this journey. Today's video is a styling video. I'm going to style the Fe Noel robe many different ways. The purpose of this video is to inspire you to get multiple use out of your kimono or cover up. If this sounds like something you'd be happy to watch, stick around and let's get into the styling. For the first look, I'm going with the casual chic look. This is a beautiful spring outfit. It can take you from your day-to-day activity to a casual date night. I went with all white because it's spring and I love neutral. The focus is on the robe because the robe is already busy. It has a busy print in it. The white outfit makes everything balanced out. My pants being cropped legs and my top being cropped as well. I chose to pair them with these sandals because they elevate the look instantly. I also went with a white bag because once again the focus is all about the robe. This is also a great way to add color if you are not a colorful person. I want to say a safe way because the kimono is already super busy, and by going with a unique color underneath, you still have your color and you still feel comfortable because it's not too much. Let me know in the comment if you will actually wear this the way I started or not. Let's see the next styling. If you love colors, this look is for you. You don't have to necessarily wear red, but I used red for that inspiration for that bold color. Besides, red is trendy right now, so I figured why not. The robe is super busy with the prints. Once again, I went with a solid color because I'm all about balancing my texture and color and print. This to me is a safe way of wearing this together. It's a beautiful look for brunch or dinner if you ask me. I went with red shoes as well to create that semi-elevated look. You can go with blue, you can go with green because the robe has multiple colors in it. So any color you go with will be actually safe. Once again, I went with red because it's trendy and because that's what I have in my closet. I'm using everything from my closet. The only new thing that I'm using is the robe. It's called cover up for a reason, right? This is why we are using this as a cover up for our swimsuit moment. It's getting warm outside, it's vacation season. This robe comes in handy for that vacation time. You can wear it over your swimsuit. Whether it's a one piece like I have it right here or a two-piece set, you can never ever go wrong. It gives you that elevated look on vacation. You can wear it at the pool, on the beach. You cannot go wrong. It's the affordable rich auntie vibe for me. Another way to wear your cover up is by throwing it on top of your little black dress for a nice dinner date. This look is beautiful. This look is nice. It's for my girls who love mini dresses, but again who like to be comfortable. It's still cold outside some evenings. This is a perfect way for you to go to dinner without being cold. If you are somebody who feels cold easily, this is for you. I like this look a lot. It's elevated. We have black and brown to break the black off. It's nice. But again, if you want to change shoes, you can. I also did that by changing my shoes and going with all black sandals because it's perfect. Personally, this is what I would go for because I love a black on black good moment. This is a great way to do your monochromatic look. We have black and gold. The robe has some brown, dark brown in it, which gives us the gold vibe. So everything goes perfectly well. I like this look a lot. Maybe this is my favorite look. You guys let me know what you like so far. You can tie the belt or you can leave it hanging, but again, it's your own choice. You cannot go wrong though, whatever you choose to go for. I like it. This look is really nice for that dinner date once again. But if you feel comfortable wearing mini during the daytime, have it your way. Once again, there's no rules into fashion. I'm only making this video as an inspiration. Whatever meaning you have, whether it's a skirt or a dress, you can wear it and throw this on top. You can throw it over literally as I did instead of actually wearing it. However you feel comfortable. This is more me because I feel like it elevates that look just to the max. If you are conscious about your stomach and your arms and you want to wear your one shoulder or alter anything, this is a great way to do it by throwing your cover up on top. Also, if you feel comfortable mixing prints, this is quite busy, but again, have it your way. If you love prints and you are not scared to mix them, I hope you appreciate this. I like this look a lot, even though it's busy for me, but the jumper being black and white, I think it balances it out because prints are quite smaller compared to the cover up. This look is nice for whatever occasion you want. We all have different lifestyle. Wherever you feel comfortable wearing this outfit, I don't think you can make any mistake. Another way to wear your cover up this spring season is by wearing it with a pair of denim shorts. It's still chilly outside, so this would be great for you to wear your shorts without worrying about the weather. You can elevate the look by wearing some mule like I've done it here, or you can wear some tennis shoes for that casual look many of us like. Let me know if you love brunching, and I will know we are from the same tribe, because that's what we are doing wearing this outfit. We are going to brunch. I paired the robe with gold sandals because of the brown in the robe. The look is playful, the look is fun. Like I said, we are going to brunch, so we wanted something that would be really cool, something that would be brunch appropriate. A white dress once again because this is my way of doing spring colors. The robe is busy, and to me this balances everything out. It's just perfect. The belt gives you options to tie or leave it open. Have it your way, whatever makes you feel more comfortable. Comfort, we love comfort, so you want to make sure that whatever you wear, you want to wear it the way you will normally wear it, so you will not be uncomfortable. You can also have the sleeves hanging just to make it even more playful. I don't know if you like it this way, but again, we love options and this is one of them. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys like this video. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Stay safe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.